Did you know that combining high-end fashion with streetwear can create a unique, eye-catching style? Today, I'll reveal 5 amazing outfit ideas to help you stand out at any event. Don't miss out.
Look at me now, I'm here to stay. Fresh threads will fit, got the gear. I walk the streets, my vision clear. From late night.
First, try combining a high-end wool coat with an oversized t-shirt and jogger pants. The wool coat adds elegance, while the t-shirt and joggers provide a comfortable feel.
No shortcuts, no easy road.
This is the perfect mix of sophisticated and sporty style, helping you stand out confidently anywhere.
In every beat, from the ground up, I made my scene. A vision bold, I feel the street. Rise up, I'm on the grind. In every move, I leave a sign. Through every path, through every line.
Next, consider pairing premium white sneakers with dress pants or a midi skirt. This style not only keeps you comfortable, but also adds a modern and youthful touch. It's a great way to showcase your personality while staying elegant.
Layers deep, the hustle shows. In every stitch, the journey flows. Through highs and lows, I kept it real. A look, a vibe, my iron will. Stand tall, stand proud, it's all me. In every thread, in every beat. From the ground up, I made my scene. A vision bold, I feel the street. Rise up, rise up.
The third way is to pair a hoodie with skinny jeans and add a designer handbag. The hoodie brings comfort, while the high-end bag adds a luxurious accent. This combination is perfect for relaxed weekends with style.
I walk my path, own the night. With every glance, they see the way. In each layer, I've made my play. Rise up, I'm on the grind. In every move, I leave a sign. Through every path, through every line. This is my world, my life, my time.
For the fourth style, try layering multiple pieces like a t-shirt, a denim jacket, and a lightweight premium coat. Choose items with contrasting colors and patterns to create a standout look. This style is not only warm, but also very fashionable.
Through the grind, through the fight, I walk my path, own the night. With every glance, they see the way. In each layer, I've made my play.
Finally, pair a blazer with a t-shirt and sporty shorts. This is a refreshing way to bring sporty elements into office wear while maintaining an elegant look. A combination that's both comfortable and polished for work days.
I'm here to stay, no doubt, no fear. The future's bright, the vision clear.
And there you have it, 5 top-notch outfit combinations that perfectly blend high-end fashion with streetwear. Each style offers its own unique vibe. Have you found a favorite look yet? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to discover even more exciting fashion tips with us. Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.
I'm saying clear this world.